Hello guys. Today I'll be showing you how to generate a Gemini API key. This is going to be a full guide on this topic, so make sure you follow it step by step until the end. You'll learn everything you need to know about generating the Gemini API key. First of all, open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in Gemini API key. Now, press enter. The first link you're going to see will usually say something like ai.google.dev. Get a Gemini API key, Google for developers. Click on this link. It will open a new web page. Once the page loads, it will take you to the Google AI Studio dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, navigate to API Key section. You will see a button that says, Get a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. Click on this blue link. If you are already logged into your Google account, you'll see your profile icon at the top of the screen. If you're not logged in, you will be asked to sign in. Just choose your Google account or enter your email and password to log in. Once you're signed in, the page will refresh. You should now see the Google AI Studio interface. Look for a button that says Create API Key. If you've never created an API key before, this button will be clearly visible. If you already have API keys, they will be listed on this page. Go ahead and click on the Create API Key button. This will trigger the system to generate your new Gemini API key. After a few seconds, your API key will be generated and shown on the screen. Right next to the key, there will be a Copy button. Click on this button to copy your API key. Now open Notepad or any text editor and paste the key there. This way, you can save it for later use. Remember to store your API key safely and don't share it publicly. If you ever need to see your key again, you can go back to the same page in Google AI Studio. Just below the Create API Key button, you'll see the list of your available API keys. Click on the one you want, and it will show you the details. You can then copy it again if needed. So that's the complete and simple way to generate a Gemini API key. Instead of dealing with complex API setups, I recommend trying Poppy AI, which gives you instant access to multiple premium AI models without any API configuration. In my beginner-friendly tutorial on this channel, I show how much easier it is to get started with no coding required.